Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki here, and today I want to show you the goodies I have collected from my stash to use for December daily. So the first thing I have decided to do is to make it junk journal style, and I will be using this coffee box. I like the size, it's not too big, it's not too daunting. I will be able to fit 2 signatures in it. Yes, I think I'll just do 2, but then it gives me room to bulk it up as we go along. And it's quite sturdy cardboard, so that is going to be the base of my journal. It will be a junk journal style arrangement. And then I have a collection of papers. Some of these I showed you in my last video. This was my haul. A lot of these were my haul from Craft, because I am definitely doing an Australiana type theme. I don't want snowflakes. I don't want mittens. It is very hot here in Australia, so I want to do a journal this year that works with that. This is an old sticker sheet. Some I have used, but I've still got plenty there I could put to good use. I've got this gorgeous piece of acetate that has some holly leaves on it. I've got part of that left. This one is, I had a little cutout. I was playing with something the other day, but there's still plenty of that sheet left to go. Lots of poinsettias, lots of holly, but again, no snow, no snowflakes. These two almost look a bit wintry, these two gorgeous birds, but there is no snow on this, so I'm happy to use that. And this one again, just greenery and red. I love it. Another one, this one, the tones are a little bit more muted. A gorgeous kangaroo and echidna, wattle leaves, that's very Australian. Eucalyptus leaves. These I think are waratahs and gum leaves. A couple of other pieces because I think they go with the colour theme. There is mittens in here, but they are baking mittens, so I think we can let them pass. And this piece of check that I found. I have my stash of ephemera. Now, a lot of this probably won't suit, but I have tons of things to pick from here, as you can see. And I was going to go through them and just pull out the colour theme that I like, and I went, oh, honestly, don't bother, Nick. Just, you can wade through it as you are progressing rather than splitting it all up. So that's all my ephemera. I also have this box here. This is full of stickers and all sorts of goodies like that. Some, of course, I'm sure won't be suitable because I bet you there's some snowflake. Look, there's a snowflake. Oh, you're not allowed to be part of this. Thank you very much. But look, I've got lots and lots of goodies. And in Australia, I've noticed a lot of shops don't even have all their Christmas stuff out yet. So no doubt I will find some additional goodies, hopefully in the next few weeks. I have a Christmas stamp set. Again, there's no snowflakes in this one, so I'm sure I can put that to good use. So I've got trees and Merry Christmases and things like that, so that will come in handy, I'm sure. I have this little container full of sparkly things because there's no way I'm doing a Christmas album without some sparkles. So these are all Christmas only ones that I have in their own little container. I have lots of washi. Just, you know, lots and lots and lots of Christmas washi. So I'm sure we can put that to good use. I have these gorgeous strip of sequins in green, gold and red because I am definitely sticking with traditional colours, because last year I decided to do sugar cookie pastels and I fell off the bandwagon very fast because all of my photos seem to have more deep, rich, traditional colours in it, and I didn't like any of my pages, so pastels are probably not going to play a big part this year. I decided that's not for me. I have this little stencil, so that one will go to good use. I also have this cute one with a wreath and a gingerbread house. Very basic, but it would be fun to then decorate with that and colour those in. I have a cute pack of ephemera. These are all very Australian. There are koalas and kookaburras and all sorts of cute things in this pack. So definitely looking forward to those. And I have a pack of little bits and pieces. A lot of these are slightly darker in colourways. They're not pastel. I've got another pack which has all my pastel ones in it. So I've grabbed this one out. There's lots of goodies to play with there. And I have these 2 paper packs. Some of them are quite pastel-y, but look, I might use a bit of it. But generally speaking, they, other than these snowmen, that's the only thing that is not going to be used this year. Everything else is definitely, oh, hang on, whoa, there's another one. Oh, we won't be using that one. I can see more snowflakes. There will be no snowflakes this year, I promise you that. And I have this sticker book, which again is very Australian. We even have a Tasmanian tiger. I mean, honestly, how cute is he? All tangled up in some Christmas lights. And I don't know why we have a jumper, because honestly, we don't need jumpers in Australia unless you live down in deep, dark Tasmania. Maybe you might need one there, but no way. See, look, a Santa with a barbecue, that's just sort of so much more of the sort of thing we would have in this country. Platypus, look at that platypus with the pudding. He's too cute. So there we go. That is my basic kit. Now, I need some help. What I can't decide is, do I give this a vintage touch or do I do a more contemporary style? So I haven't pulled any additional papers, haven't coffee dyed paper yet, haven't done anything in that department because I can't decide what to do. So I would love your help. If you could please pop down in the comments what style I should head with for my junk journal, and we might put a bit of a vote and see where we get to, because I'm a bit stuck. I can't decide what to do. So before I prep any papers, I need to make a decision. Am I going to go a hint of vintage or am I going to keep it more contemporary style? So I would love your input. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you think, and then let's see what I get up to. I will do some videos this year as I make things for my journal. I will actually try and remember to turn the camera on when I'm doing some of the things, and I will happily share those with you. So please let me know what you think. Would you like to see a vintage or a contemporary style journal for my December daily arrangement? Can't wait to see what you all think. Now, until next time, stay safe and stay healthy. And if you are not a subscriber to this channel, I would love it if you joined along. I do paper crafting and paper planning videos. And please hit the like button if you enjoyed this and would like to see more things like it. Bye for now. Take care.